everybody, it's Coach Michelle from Straight Up Strong, and this week we have a super fun full body dumbbell workout for you. We are going to do 4 combo exercises. We are going to do each exercise for 10 reps, and we are going to go through this 3 times today. As always, please be sure you check with your doctor or nurse practitioner, whoever you see for your health needs, before you start any sort of new exercise programming. Also, be sure to warm up before starting this workout, and after the workout, make sure you take some time to stretch and cool down. If at any time during this workout you feel that you need a rest, just hit pause, take your rest, and then jump on back in. So our first movement today is a squat and press. So you need a pair of dumbbells. You're gonna have those dumbbells on your shoulders. We are gonna drop into a squat and press over our heads, keeping our palms facing each other. Squat and press. So that's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Really great job. We're going to come on down to the floor now, and we are going to do bicycles, and we are going to do 10 each side. So when you do your bicycles, I want you to think about having your fingertips at your temples as opposed to holding onto the back of your neck. I want you to think about pressing your lower back into the floor, and as opposed to going like this, we're going to move nice and slow. 1, 2, 3. You can also drop your feet, your heels to the floor, like that. Really nice job. Otherwise, you are right here. I think that's 7, 8, 9, and 10. Really great job. All right, you're going to take those dumbbells and you're going to be laying down. We are going to do a glute bridge with a chest press. All right. So when you are laying on the floor, your arms are going to be at a 45-degree angle. And then you're going to press up and over your chest so that your palms face forward. Meanwhile, you're going to be holding a glute bridge at the top, like so. Okay. You can also choose to drop your butt and bridge as you press. Otherwise, you're holding at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. Really squeeze at the top. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Really great job. Lower your booty. We're coming back up into standing. We are going to do a single leg deadlift with a row. So shoulders are back and down. And remember, a deadlift is a hinge. So we really want to think about keeping our spine long, head to butt. Shoulders are back and down. We're not rounding forward. We're right here as we move our butt towards the back wall. Okay, so we are going to kickstand our right leg behind us, and we are going to deadlift, row, and up. So that's 1, 2. Really think about rowing your hand to your hip. 3, so that you have a 90-degree angle. 4, you got this. 5, all your weight should be in that front leg. This back leg is just here for balance so that you can focus on putting your weight in the front leg. Good. 9, and 10. All right, we're going to switch sides. Left leg is forward, Right, right leg is forward, left hand holds the dumbbell, hinge, run, and up. 2, and up. Good. You got this. 3, and up. 4, and up. Remember, you're only going down so low as you feel that stretch in your front leg. 5, 6, make sure you're coming up to full extension at the top. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Awesome work. We're going to do that 2 more times through. Get a sip of water if you need it. Take a little rest. Grab your other dumbbell. Get those dumbbells up to your shoulders. We're back to that press, squat and press in 3, 2, and go. 1, 2. Make sure your arms are coming up so that your biceps are by your ears. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Awesome job. Coming down for those bicycles. You can always add a resistance loop for your lower body. I'll show you on the glute bridge too. You can do it for the squat and press as well. All right, coming down. Lower back is pressed into the floor. Fingers at our temples. We're going for 10. That's 1, 2, 3. Really try to get that twist over and across. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, make sure you're breathing. 9, and 10. Whew. All right, we're back to that chest press with the glute bridge. So what I was saying earlier is you can take a resistance loop or a resistance band and put it just above your knees. What's really important is when you use a resistance band is that you're pressing with your glutes and with the outside of your thighs to make sure that the band is not pushing your knees in, okay? That's what makes it challenging. So our feet are still hip width apart, okay? Arms, elbows, 45-degree angle. Feet are nice and close to our butt. Holding it up. And we're pressing. 1, 2. Make sure you're pressing over your chest, not over your head. 5, 6. Hold that booty up there. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Woo! If you added the resistance band, I bet you felt the difference that time through. All right, we're coming back up to our deadlift with a row, all right? Right leg is back, front leg is working, shoulders are back and down, dumbbell is in my right hand, and I am hinging. 1, good, 2, 3. Again, make sure all that weight is in that front leg as you stand up and fully extend. Good. This is 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, switching arms, switching feet. Front leg is our right leg. Left arm holds our dumbbell. We'll turn this way so you can see. All right, we are shoulders back and down, getting ourselves set up. And here we go. Hinge, run. And up. 2. And up. Good. 3. And up. 4. And up. So again, making sure that hand is coming to our hip and that our arm, our elbow ends up in a 90-degree angle, not overly bent. We don't want to be like this. We're like this, okay? Oh, geez, I think that's 8. I always lose count. Let's do one more. And row. Awesome job. We want to make sure that when we're doing the rows, that we're not doing a bicep curl, all right? We're thinking about activating the muscles around our shoulder blades. So we're thinking about that is the motion that is pulling our arm up, getting a squeeze as if we had a penny or a pencil between our shoulder blades. That's the movement, okay? Not this, this, okay? All right, for this last set of squat and presses, can you believe we're on our 3rd set already? We're gonna add the resistance band. And when we are doing our squat, all right, add that resistance band just above your knees, feet are hip width apart. And when you do your squat this time, really think about using your glutes and your hips to press that band open. You want your knees tracking between your toes. You do not want your knees coming in like this or your feet coming up off the floor, and you don't want them coming up the other way. So figure out where your feet placement feels best for you. You drop down and press. See how the band is being pressed out by my thighs, okay? We ready? We sure are. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Arms go straight up, biceps to ears. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Whew. I felt that round, did you? Make sure you're getting water when you need it. Pressing pause if you need a break. You should be breathless right now. You are working hard. I just worked hard. I just talked through that, right? So it is normal to be out of breath when you're working hard. Excuse me. Last set of bicycles. Remember, fingers at temple, lower back is pressed into the floor. You can also have your feet on the floor and twist for an accommodation for you, okay? Especially if you feel a lot of uncomfortableness in your hips when you're doing this. All right, ready? And go. 1, 2, 3, 4. I know this is hard. You can do this. You can do hard things. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Whew. All right. Your core should have just been working really hard. All right. I'm going to put that resistance band loop, again above my knees for our chest press with our bridge. All right. Feet are in close to our butt. Feet are hip width apart. Arms are at 45-degree angle. And I'm up in my bridge. And 1, 2. Get that squeeze up above your chest. 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Awesome job. Whew. Booty is on fire. Take that loop off. We have 20 more reps left in this workout. We have our kickstand deadlift with our row. Make sure you're getting up slowly so that you're not getting dizzy. Good. All right. We have our left leg forward, right leg is kickstand back, shoulders are back and down, dumbbell is in right hand. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Now make sure as you get tired, your shoulders aren't rolling forward. Keep them packed back and down. That's 4, 5, 6. Keep that arm nice and tight to your body. 7, 8. You got this. 2 more on this side. 9, and 10. Bravo. We got 10 more reps. All right. Dumbbell is in left hand. Right foot is forward. Left leg is back. Shoulders are back and down. Here we go. Ready? Row. That's 1, 2. Remember your form points. 3. Butt comes back. Shoulders are back and down. 4. You row your hand to your hip. 5. You should feel this in your hamstring of that front leg. Good. Almost there. 7, 8. 2 more. 9. And 10. Fantastic job. That was our 4 exercise, full body, dumbbell and resistance loop workout for this Tuesday. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked this, please make sure you give it a like, give it a comment below with what your favorite movement was of this workout. I love to hear that feedback. And also, if you liked what you saw, please make sure you subscribe to our channel. We have a new workout released every Tuesday morning for you for free right here. So make sure you give us a like, a comment, and a subscribe, and I will see you next week.